Zanzou nightclub faces a backlash after a video circulated on social media showing the bouncers from the club assaulting people. This has left South Africans fuming as the video of human rights violation was impaired. Two customers have opened cases against the club for various cases from rape, assault, and kidnapping. Gauteng Police Commissioner condemned the behavior in club.
I'd like to condemn these barbaric acts, which is degrading, and of course is totally unacceptable. Indeed, three of the victims, they came out. We really want to thank the community. We really want to thank the victims themselves as they came forward.
In My Name spokesperson has confirmed that 3 more people have opened cases of assault against the establishment. Former bouncer from the nightclub came forward of TikTok to reiterate the ill treatment that took place in the club during his 7 years working in the club.
This really goes to show that we really have sick people and sick establishments out there, and we do know and are sure that 3 of the young men have opened cases of assault and sexual assault as well against the establishment.
The operations in the club have been suspended, pending investigation of the police officials. Yesterday, a truck was stopped by the MK student movement from moving equipment and alcohol out from the establishment, as it will tamper with the evidence.
Boys really do deserve to be punished, but the way they punish them is not a right way to do, because it's also against the law. They should have at least called the police, so let the police to take over on that situation rather than punishing them in a horrible way like they did, because it's against the law.
Sorry, I came under scrutiny after a video circulated online depicting people being assaulted by the police. Zanzou suspended operation pending investigation, and AFF as well as MK student movement protested outside the club calling for accountability of the owners, arrest of the management for gross violation of human rights.